Hello friends, welcome to my new video. I am Renan Draws and in this video I will teach you how to draw an apple. This draw is so fun. So let's draw step by step with me. Okay friends, let's draw an apple. You start to draw this line and this and connect. You draw this line and connect it. And how you draw? Make a curved line and connect it. Whoa, so cute! Go ahead. Next, you draw this and you can draw, make a curved line here and draw this. Whoa, so cute! Next, you draw the eyes like this. Another circle here and draw this and coloring. You can draw the mouth like this. Whoa! And draw this point like this. Whoa, this is so cute drawing. Draw a circle here. Draw a circle here. Here. And don't forget to sign your drawing. Non-draws. If you like this video, yes, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you the next video. Bye.